Zart? Biggie?
What are you doing with all your toys that you cut up? Buddy?
Oh, Buddy looks so sad. He's crying real tears. I think it's because Zart and Biggie wanted us to cut up all the squishies. Oh no, Buddy, I didn't mean to make you cry. Oh, Zart, Biggie, I think we need to apologize to Buddy. Don't you agree? He looks so sad. Buddy looks really happy. I wonder why. He wiped off all of his tears. Zart? Biggie? You have a hot glue gun there. What are you two up to?
What in the world? Did you? Look, it looks like they glued the squishies back together. That's so silly. They still work though. Wow, they're all fixed. How magical is this? We are sorry we made you cry. We made a little squishy bed for you. We just love to see what's inside things. Heart, Biggie, and Zart. That was so sweet of both of you. Buddy looks really happy about it too. Oh, he wrote us a note back. That's okay. I heart my new bed. Love, Buddy. And look, he's even riding on the unicorn. Has anybody ever seen a squishy bed before? Those elves sure come up with the silliest things in the whole wide world. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.